Hi everyone, so welcome back to my channel. This is Bill, and in today's video, we are diving into something very serious as a ServiceNow developer should master: the Gang of Four design patterns. There are 23 of these foundational patterns organized into three powerful groups: creational from the left, structural, and behavioral. I will explain what each and every one does and provide you a full demo for you to be able to simply translate directly into real ServiceNow use cases. In a high level, creational patterns are all about how you create objects in a clean, scalable way. And as you follow along in my previous demonstrations, in ServiceNow, that will mean and how to instantiate with the likes of script includes, utilities, or reusable components. As we move forward to the structural patterns, it will help you define relationship between objects. These are about composition rather than inheritance. So structural patterns will help you define relationships. In ServiceNow, this often means building reusable and composable modules with the likes of APIs and CMDB automation. And finally, behavioral patterns are about how objects communicate and behave. And these are powerful for managing workflows and logic, handling approvals, and handling or designing flexible capabilities. These patterns may sound theoretical, but as we saw, they map beautifully into real-world ServiceNow development. And as we go into deep dive on the following lessons, you will see designing integrations, scaling workflows, and writing maintainable script includes. As you saw from our previous demos, these patterns help make your solutions more robust and professional. The quality of your design and implementation is seen on how you basically implement the design patterns. It shows your quality of work, your knowledge, and your technical capability. As we deep dive on the following lessons, starting from the creational pattern, you can apply these techniques in your development and implementation, which is highly beneficial for you and also your client which you are serving. If you found this helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. And I'm excited to show you these 23 lessons that covers all 23 design patterns and how you apply this in ServiceNow. And as you appreciate my inputs, you can buy me coffee using the link in the description to further support my channel. I'll see you in the next one.